Can you see the puppies?
Yes.
Oh, I see them.
I see them.
Hi.
No, they should come out, guys.
They'll come out?
They'll come
Yeah.
out.
See,
Here's one. Oh, they're getting big already.
Yeah.
Look at you. You guys name them yet?
No.
No names?
No, you guys have names. But
Yeah. One of the long ones we named.
This one's got blue
long.
eyes. Two blue
Oh,
eyes.
yeah, this one's got two blue eyes.
Yeah, I have blue eyes. I've got
Wow.
blue eyes too.
Do you?
Yeah, I like that. I got a dog.
Yeah, Madeline.
Madeline.
Maddie. Yep, either
Well,
or.
we should remember that there's one that...
Oh, theirs looks like a rottweiler.
We
Look
can
at him.
actually, we can call. I think we can call him
Niece name.
kindergarten.
Oh,
There is one...
you got blue eyes too.
Yeah, there
Wow.
is one, Kyle. There's the two that look like Baxter, and one has, I think, more white on their belly. But I think, look, I think it's a boy. I think they're boys.
Yeah.
Emma, move your. Yeah, that's a boy. I think they're both boys. Your mom kind of said you're hoping for a girl that looked like
Yeah.
Baxter.
Yeah, hoping, but they're both boys.
I think so. Maybe the other one will come out.
Oh, yeah.
This one's stay nice.
Skirts.
Just remember, it's cold out here. It's colder, so yeah, you guys.
This one's the one that has white on here. Here, Tommy.
Oh,
Just be careful because it's colder. Then there's
Oh, Enoch,
no,
hold it like
there's
this.
another one. That one has a little
Hold
bit of
out, so
Baxter
there's
mark.
you gotta make
but
sure you
there's
cover
another
her.
one.
I think that's no, that's not one of
Yeah,
them.
Kyle, there's another one. That one has a little bit. You see the brown
yeah.
on him. There's
Okay.
another one.
They all have blue eyes, don't they?
Oh, they're puppy
That one
shivering.
has brown eyes. And this one is
There's this one. That's because it's cold out.
Yeah, it is cold
Put
outside.
it down nicely. It's cold. They're not going to come out. See, yesterday it was so nice out. They were coming out and
They were coming out
walking
playing.
around here. but it
Yeah.
was cold. Oh, not that way, buddy. Over by the. And then there's Zach. Take out that. There's one that's brown and tan. Like I don't think any white. And no. That one's brown and white. It's just brown and tan.
Can
I
I
don't
hold
think it
him?
has any.
Oh, wow.
Can I hold him? He's kissing me. Can I hold him?
Zach, lift it up. Is it a girl?
I don't know, maybe. I thought it was a boy that time.
Oh, it's
Wait, they're boy. They're all boys.
I
Wow.
think there's 3 girls.
And Shy. Yesterday when we came, he
Oh,
was the last one.
When he does that,
No wonder they're not coming.
the
Sky's under there, isn't she? Little stinker.
Both. Sky and
Zach, can you? I know I don't want to interrupt them feeding, but can you find that other one that looks like?
Baxter.
Yeah.
Whoa.
I know. I wish it was like the weather yesterday because
Yeah.
they were
They
all
would come
coming
out.
out.
No. Please.
So are you living around
Like this.
Yeah, Mankato. So, yeah, I'm in Mankato. Maddie's been working at the Mayo Clinic.
Okay.
She's a
This
CNA there.
This one.
But you
And I'm a.
went to school in Mankato.
I went to school in Mankato and I'm a
That
machinist.
one.
I work at Dotson.
There's that one.
Oh, wow. I like this one. This one a girl or a boy? This one's a boy. Yeah, he's a boy.
So they're both.
They all have blue eyes.
Yeah. But then those are the 2 that look like Baxter the most.
Yep.
Now, Zach, can you grab the brown? Is he right there?
Oh,
Is
there's
he
so
right
many
there?
of them.
Yeah. This one's so cold.
There's 8, yeah.
Bear.
There's 3 that are more brown. And then the rest are all kind of like, then there's the 2 that look like Baxter, and then the other ones are like the black and the white.
Be careful, be careful.
This one is my favorite if Zach finds it, but it's a boy, and I'm like, Nate's not going to let us have a boy. Him.
Oh.
He's just,
Oh, wow.
This one is the one that was at
He's gonna be a big one. He's got bigger paws than all the other puppies.
and he's just,
This one's a big
he's got that
Big
little bit
boy.
of white, but he's basically just brown and tan.
Brown and tan.
and white.
And I think
he
he's
likes
got
to
the blue
growl
eyes.
at mom.
I think he's got the blue eyes.
Yeah.
He's the one that growls at mom.
Sorry, little guy.
There's one more brown one that had like, and it is skies because
he's a big
no,
one,
it
isn't
is
he?
skies because it has like half of a ring around
He's
its
a big
neck,
one.
a white ring. And
This one's a
when
big
we
one.
came over here and we saw him, I saw that puppy right away, and I'm like, oh, it's got a ring around its neck. So there is another brown one underneath here.
Enoch, you do need to
That,
be careful.
besides that, I don't know whose is whose.
Okay.
Because Sky is going to have less breeds, you know, because she's
Yep.
the mom, and then
She's the mom.
Winchester
The brown
is the
one
daughter.
with the white
So-
Yeah.
Baxter
Now, who was Winchester's father? Did you ever find out? Was it Booble's dog or something? Or is it a
No,
black
it's our
lab?
neighbors.
Yeah.
Our good friend and Stuart. He
Okay.
brought his dog down here. His dog is German Shepherd and Collie mix.
Okay.
Just one that needs to run, and Stuart
Yeah.
really can't run. So
Uh-huh.
he brought him down here, and nope, sure enough,
Crawling on you for
I actually saw them stuck together.
the
Smile.
one that has the white thing on top.
No, the
brown one.
The white, the brown and white.
Freezing.
Oh, I know,
Yeah,
but
they're all
please
very
put them back.
cold.
Please put them back. Okay, I know. You guys had fun holding them yesterday, but it was like 20 degrees warmer. No, Enoch, over there by the truck. We gotta put them by the truck.
There's
I like the ones that have the Roddy markings on, like the eyebrows and the.
Yeah. I just, too bad they're both
Let's see.
boys. So
See,
it's
Maddie and I will be for sure taking one, and her brother wants one.
Can I have
awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, like I said, I mean, hold on. Yeah, careful. Emma. There's
I just caught the puppy Ethan.
some people, like on Facebook, that they're like, oh, what breeds? But they're not
think
even
it's
like
way on the
saying, hey, we want one.
Mom,
Yeah.
we
Right
have
now-
9 babies. Ethan and the 8 puppies.
Yeah.
So, like I told your mom, you get first pick. Like, I didn't know if your mom and dad would want another
I
one.
think they have enough dogs. They got older dogs they're hoping to pass.
She wanted one.
Oh, I'm sure she would, and I'm sure they'd take one too if our older dogs passed.
Yeah. So
Frankie
I just-
passed this last summer.
Oh,
Frankie,
yeah,
the big one.
Yeah.
I like when they kiss
He was 10 years old.
Yeah. So I kind of figured, you guys would get first pick. If your mom and dad want first pick, that's fine. And then we'll just, if it's something where it's a distinct mark, like, if it's one that we don't have to try to mark somehow, like your mom was saying, a paint stick. I don't really want to put yarn around the neck. I know people that put yarn around the neck.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that.
Like your mom said, a paint stick, which,
Spray paint them.
something,
It's their tail.
Yep. He's just, I know, look at him. He's just like,
Oh.
I'm good.
You're so chunky, aren't you?
I like that they all have blue eyes though. I like that a lot.
They are roly-poly, I know. But when you got, the 2 dogs, and they feed off both of them, of course, So, is she, Emma, hold her up a little bit. Is she a female?
What?
Is it a girl or a boy?
That's a girl, I think.
Little girl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I guess we were hoping for a girl, but
Well, yeah. I mean,
I don't care.
Maddie doesn't care.
Would you just get them fixed? I mean,
Yeah, we would
if
have
anything.
a spade
Yeah.
fixed.
Neutered,
You got geese?
Ducks and chickens.
Yeah. Ducks and chickens.
Yeah.
Here, Maddie, you want to hold the phone? I gotta put my glove back on.
Yeah.
I think there's only 1 duck.
There's 1 more chicken left, and then we have 3
And then
ducks.
3 ducks. Because
Yeah. I had a substitute teacher that had geese, like the Chinese geese or whatever, the crested geese. Oh, sure. And those things were almost 20 years old.
They're all crawling on
And
top
still
of
one
each
died.
other down there.
A bunch of coyotes.
This little one is just so
Police
cold.
here for a little bit.
How did you have it done
Somebody's
yet?
place for a number of years, and then Nate's aunt up in Buffalo had them for 7 years, and we had them for a couple of years. So
what? You can like one?
It's just once the female died, the dogs died. The female, the male just wouldn't stay with the boy, and he started getting mean to the kids. And then Sky had the puppies for Ben Winchester, and then the other dog.
See the Baxter over there.
Oh, okay. That one is Sky.
Okay.
Because it's got that ring, and I thought it went all the way around.
And there's this one.
You know what? In the next month, we'll know.
Oh, you're shivering.
Yeah, he's shivering.
Are you cold, honey? Let's get you back in there, okay? You don't want to be cold.
I know
Here.
That's a lot for one. You had 11.
Oh, gross. He's licking him. Yeah. So.
They're so cute.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not good.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
fast, but they weren't really.
There's no.
There's no.
There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no. There's no.
Yeah, so,
Good girl.
There's Sky and that one right there.
This one's Sky?
Yep, Sky, and then
The
the
blue
other
eyes?
one that's right there is Winchester, yeah.
Oh, Sky's a husky? Oh gosh.
Just so cute.
Yeah, you're cute. Oh, so precious.
I wish we can keep all of them.
I know.
But
You just want all of them, don't you?
I know, they're so cute. I wish they just stayed as puppies.
I know.
Because they're
They're the
so
best when they're
cute.
small.
They're so cute.
But then they can grow up and have their own puppies.
you know, when it gets a little
Sky and Winchester are probably tired. Yeah, because they need to take care of the puppies. All the